Being able to work with Cand-Aid and the Yasso Game On Foundation to provide these kids with bikes is awesome. It's a sense of freedom. It's a positive way for them to get outside and stay active.
This is the second year we're building 1,200 bikes nationwide with them with the same goal in mind, get kids off screens and outside. So we're just here to give them a healthy outlet and educate them on how important it is to meet kids.
These bikes mean so much to the kids. This is often the first new bike that these kids are receiving.
I hope it serves as an outlet for them, a way for them to get outside, get exercise, and have fun with their friends.